this 96, 97, 95 level. Definitely a nice entry on the euro dollar. Let's see. Just watching Aussie dollars up here. It broke out of its level that I've been talking about, so I'm keeping a really close eye on that. I see pound dollar coming in a little bit. But for this trade, I want to see this one work out pretty quick. It's a little bit different than some of the other trades we've taken today. With this much price movement, we basically have ran up here about 60 pips without giving in basically at all. So I think we can definitely get it back down to probably close even to the 1 minute PMDs down there at 75. 80 is a level though I think the market will come back down to pretty easily. As soon as you guys get a chance though, once you're up, I'd say 4, 5, 6 points. Either take your points or put a break even in place though. Just got to be careful with these fresh breakouts of these dollar pairs.
Hey, how are you? Good. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Almost getting ready to put a break even in. Almost. Okay, I do have a break even in on my short position on euro dollar at the 96 level. Do have a break even in, so I'm not going to lose anything on this trade.
Either way,
Up here about 5, 6 points or so.
So it'll be a little tight, but it'll be all right. Your mom texted this morning said the roads are full over there.
Breaking higher.
And did Pierre want to go? Okay. I just wanted to make sure.
Not a bad thing if you guys are thinking about just taking your points here. Not a bad place to take your points. I'm looking for a few more. I'd like to see it get down into the bank. So if you're not taking them, make sure you have a break even in place. Now you see pound dollar, it's pushing a little bit higher. Aussie dollar is sitting up there. Just think this big figure level on euro dollar, it's probably gonna, it tends to hold it pretty well. Seeing if I can get my 10 out of this. Nothing wrong. I was really trying to wait for big figure too. The only reason I ended up taking it a few points before is just because we basically have ran straight up, you know, these 60 points in a matter of no time. So I was willing to be a little bit more aggressive on that. Here we go. I just closed the rest of my euro dollar for 8 points, guys. I'm afraid I'm pushing it a little bit here. 8 points it's close enough for me. Oh, there we go. Looks like I would have got it, but no problem. If anyone else took that short position. I suggest definitely taking your points. You should be up close to 10 points here. At least take something off the table, and make sure you have your break even into place. If you are wanting to hold on a little bit longer, you can write it down. That's really where the farthest I'd be comfortable holding that position to, because I've been talking about it all morning. Dollar weakness is the play. Aussie dollar did a fresh breakout. Pound dollar is broken out again. More times than not, euro dollar is gonna, it's gonna follow the pack. So I'd rather take at least a couple points off the table than, getting stopped out at break even today. Nice, Erich. Good trading. Man, I'm happy I stuck around.